Let's see if we got the comments on here. All right, testing this out right now. Let's see here.
Yeah, what's up, James?
We got comments on here. Just going live right now. People coming on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm live on Instagram. Are we live on YouTube?
We're live on YouTube. I think I need to let it sit for a minute though, so people catch on.
All right, cool.
Yeah, we got 3 people. What's up, everyone? Crypto Patrick here.
What's up, guys?
Sean Logan. Today we're gonna talk about what's up, everyone. All right, who we got on here? We got Daryl Wolf. My screen's a little cracked. MR. What's up, man? Thoughts on Verge and Litecoin? I think Litecoin. I've been mining Litecoin with Genesis Mining, and it's been doing pretty well. And Verge, Sean, do you have any Verge?
You know what? I bought a bunch of Verge at 3 cents. I bought a bunch more at 5 cents, and then I sold all of it at 20 cents and made like a killer profit. So I currently don't have any Verge. I may buy back in depending on what the market does. We'll see.
But yeah, we're both mining on Genesis Mining. We're both doing Litecoin, and Sean's getting a lot of payouts. I've had like 3,000 in sales, so I have a lot of hash power on there. But with Bitclub Network is the other one we're mining right now. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to have Sean tell you a little bit about it right now.
Yeah, so I've been building these Bitcoin mining programs for the past year, a little over a year or so. Mainly just the 2 main ones I do is Bitclub Network and then Genesis Mining. I've joined them both around the same time in 2016, and it's built into a $10,000 a month residual income on average. Then it's paying out. I'm getting paid out in Bitcoin. I'm getting paid out in Ethereum. I'm getting paid out in Dashcoin. And then I recently just allocated my hash power over to Litecoin. How do I flip the camera right here? Mm-hmm. So see, there's a bunch of Litecoin payouts that I'm getting right now in my Exodus wallet.
You need to get closer. I'll throw my computer.
No, you can see it. But you know what we're trying to do now is, how can we help other people duplicate these results? How can we help other people make $10,000 a month and build a portfolio of digital assets?
Is that come in? What's up? We got a newcomer.
Here, hold that.
Yep. What's up, MR 750? So yeah, you guys. This is Sean Logan. He's been making almost
what's up, Ronnie?
Almost $250,000 off Bitcoin mining, and he's showing me. He got me into mining Litecoin and Genesis, and that's the videos I've been making and showing you guys. So
yeah, I wanted to show you guys some of the profits that we're making building these cryptocurrency mining companies and talk about how other people can duplicate the results. So I showed you some of the Litecoin payouts I've been getting.
This guy say.
Genesis Mining right now, they're actually sold out of contracts. So you were gonna have to wait a little bit, anyone who hasn't got a contract with Genesis yet, they're gonna have to wait a little bit. But Bitclub still has contracts. With Bitclub, they got contracts for, they've got Bitcoin, they've got Ethereum Classic, Monero, and Dashcoin. Oh no, not Dashcoin. Sorry, Zcash.
Exactly. So let's show them some of the results.
But I can show you some of the results we're getting here. I'm gonna flip the camera. Hang on a second. I'm getting into my account right now.
But yeah, tell them how long you've been doing it and how much you made.
I have one position in Bitclub that's paid me, as of what is today, worth about $250,000 worth of Bitcoin. And I have multiple positions in that company and multiple streams with other mining companies. So.
And how long have you been mining?
With Bitclub, I got involved in June of 2016. So this is my top position in Bitclub right now. I just want to show you the results that we're getting here. I'm going to show you my all-time withdrawal right here.
Okay.
So you can see that's my all-time summary right there.
How many Bitcoin? 17?
17.7715 Bitcoin. Now that's over 200 G's worth of Bitcoin as of today. I've been able to keep most of it. But I started this thing
Show me your mining earnings.
With a one-time $500 investment. And I'll show you the mining earnings, just from the $500 investment, without doing any network building.
First time on live chat. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Crypto Patrick here. This is Sean Logan. We just wanted to go live and show you because a lot of you guys follow me on YouTube. I've been doing a lot of giveaways, so I wanted to show you some mining, kind of go into mining, and ask you guys some questions on what you think.
All right, I'm going to show you the mining earnings from a $500 investment back in
yes,
2016.
Grandmaster.
Okay, see up there in the top right, that's 1.42957 Bitcoin. So let's see how much that's worth as of today.
And you made 17 off just the referrals. What's right for Bitclub Network? Wait, he says what's right for Bitclub Network. Say that again. What'd you say?
So 1.4, that's $13,821 as of today. As of today, that's what it's worth. And this continues to pay me out on autopilot.
And show them the 17 Bitcoins again, because more people just got on. What's up, everyone? I hope you guys like this. This is the first time doing a live stream on YouTube for my channel, the Crypto Patrick channel.
Yeah, what's up, everyone on Instagram?
Yeah, you're the URL for the Bitclub Network site. Hey, it's on my videos. If you go to my videos, go to Bitclub Network. It's about 5 videos down, everyone.
There's also going to be as soon as we finish this live stream.
What do you say? Are you dropping right now?
As soon as we finish this live stream, we'll have a link in the description of this video as well. But there's my all-time withdrawal right there. You can see 17.7715 Bitcoin. All-time summary right there.
Zoom in.
No, it's fine. You can see it.
Probably want the referral link. That's what he said. Yeah, we'll put it in the link, you guys. From when this video's over, we'll put a little thing in the link for it. But you'll probably want to add it. Thanks, dudes. But yeah, I hope you guys are all learning from my channel. We're trying to put a lot of good stuff on there. I try to research everything before I put it on there, even though there is a lot going on. Like Ripple had a lot of unfavorable news. And, try to do little giveaways so you guys have a chance to win things. And I learn a lot of my information from this guy because he's made like $250,000, and I hang out with him every day and a lot of top cryptocurrency investors here in Las Vegas. And, yeah, this guy flips ICOs every day, and he made a lot of his profits from mining in general. Tell him how you got into this and how you started mining.
All right, so I was doing affiliate marketing for online advertising companies, and they were having issues with a really famous payment processor called PayPal. I'm sure everyone's heard of PayPal. But PayPal was freezing up members' accounts. They were even freezing up entire business accounts. There was one really big advertising company that had just tens of millions of dollars frozen. So all these advertising companies, they started using Bitcoin because it solved the problem of a centralized payment processor being able to freeze people's money. So I started getting commissions in the form of Bitcoin back in 2016. And at the time, one Bitcoin was trading for around $450 a coin. And then in June, just like a month later, in June of 2016, Bitcoin value goes up to $800 a coin. So I literally just doubled my money by keeping it in a Bitcoin wallet instead of in the bank. So I immediately was like, well, what the fuck am I doing keeping my money in the bank? What am I doing getting paid in USD? That shit's just going to inflate. So I just started pulling all my money out and investing into cryptocurrency, and I started focusing on building affiliate marketing programs that pay me directly in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies.
And what's the difference between Bitclub than other ones? You know what I mean? How much is this is why Bitclub's good, you guys, because what I've learned from Sean is Bitclub has a huge market share of the Bitcoin mining, and he's been I've been watching all his payments on autopilot. I just signed up a month ago, and he'll show you what's going on it.
Okay, so
Patrick, please upload this video later. Yeah, we will. I definitely will.
Yeah, it'll automatically, this video will automatically save to YouTube, and it'll be replayable.
But yeah, I hope you guys are all enjoying the channel and stuff. I just want to show you ways to make money because I hang out with people that do this all day, and I'm starting to make money doing this. So I want to show you guys on the channel a way to profit and just not be scammed. There's a lot of scam sites out there where people are trying to spam their referral link, and they're just, a lot of them are just what do you think of those, Sean? Those people that are just they're not legit companies.
Okay, well here's how to differentiate from a Bitcoin mining scam from a real Bitcoin mining company. First off, what a Bitcoin mining scam will do is they will use fake photos and fake videos of a mining farm, and they will not give out the address of their mining farm. There will be no members that have ever visited the mining farm. They'll typically use some random picture on their website of a fake CEO, and you'll never see a video of the CEO of the company actually giving a presentation. That's how you can tell if it's a scam or not. And another way to tell is, you can come over here to the blockchain right here. This is blockchain.info. This is the blockchain website, and you can see that this is the blockchain hash rate distribution right here that I'm showing you on my computer. And this little pie chart right here. These are the largest mining farms in the world, and we can see that Bitclub Network is right up there. They're one of the largest mining pools in the world. So first off, check to see if it's on the blockchain.
This guy said it will go up. They asked if Bitcoin will go up. A couple people. They said it's on right now. I mean, how many Bitcoin do you hold, Sean? Tell me how many you hold.
Well, here's the thing: is like if you look at the track record of it, and I'll show you right here on
this is
market cap.
Yeah, what's gonna go down with Bitcoin?
And because I can't tell you the future, bro. Like I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not a psychic. I cannot look into the future and tell you the price of any coin. But what we can do is speculate from the past and look at trends and patterns, and then try to make an educated decision based off what the market has done in the past.
So let's look at this one right here. So you want to flip it?
So if you look at the, I mean, if you look at this, all right, let's just go from 2017. Okay, every time the coin goes up, it's always followed by a little crash. Every single time. It's extremely volatile because we have, freaking economies collapsing. We have all these people trying to get their money out of the bank and into a more safe and secure store of value. But what we've noticed here is that every time it shoots up really high, it's followed by a crash, and then it consolidates a little bit higher than it previously did. That's why, in January of 2017, Bitcoin was trading for $1,000 a coin, and at its peak of 2018, it was almost up to $20,000 a coin. Because it keeps pumping up, crashing, consolidating higher. Pumps up, crashes, consolidates higher. And that's what it's done over and over and over again ever since the coin came into existence. So as long as the trend continues, we can expect it to keep going up. Now, that's not a guarantee. That's just an assumption or a speculation.
Yeah, so basically, Bitcoin will go up. We just saw it go up again up to 18,000, then it went back down to 15. And when it went up there, I scraped off some of my profits and then used it on my BitPay debit card. And Sean does. I think you do the same thing, right? Every time, like
yeah. So what when you have residual streams of Bitcoin like we built with these mining programs, you can easily convert this into cash by sending it to a Bitcoin debit card like BitPay, which will immediately facilitate a currency exchange when you load the card with Bitcoin. So if you load the card during a time when Bitcoin value is higher than normal, you're getting essentially more bang for the buck, or more, you're getting more USD for less amount of Bitcoin.
Exactly. Yes, I'm going to look into it. That's all I buy with my money. And he ran. Yeah, so let's show some of the mining profits for people watching the video again. But how long to hold? Because it's down $1,500, which is a good coin to buy right now.
In my opinion, I mean, the kind of coins I like to buy are coins that are solving problems and bringing some kind of innovation to the current monetary system. You got a question like, what problems do we face with Bitcoin right now, and what other coins are coming out, what newer technology is coming out that's solving the problems we currently face with Bitcoin? Who's solving problems that, what does the coin do that's bringing value to the market? Because there's a lot of shit coins and duplicate coins out there. And, people make coins just as a joke, I mean, there's thousands of cryptocurrencies now. So I try to buy the ones that are offering some kind of solution to problems that we see in the current monetary system. And then you also want to check and see, like, who's the development team behind it? Does the development team have a proven track record of being able to successfully maintain projects? So all those things need to be taken into consideration when investing into coins.
And he said, "Oh, it's good. Yeah, need to be verified though." Okay, so how many of you out there are mining Bitcoin right now and are interested in trying to make this happen right now? Okay, thanks, buddy. Let's show them some of your profits, your daily profits. I'm gonna show you guys some daily profits on Bitclub. Real quick. Let's check it out.
All right, so
let's go down and show them like
with Bitclub, it has a public. This is a public record of every single payout.
How long has Bitclub been around?
Since 2014.
And why do you think it's so solid?
Because it's a physical. Because what we have here is, this is not like a trading program. It's not a Ponzi scheme like like BitConnect or any of those. This is an actual physical location. It's a brick and mortar business where the profits are generated from hardware that confirms mining transactions. It's not solely relying on.
He said, "Isn't it a little late for mining?"
No, it's not. It's not solely relying on new investors coming in and putting in money, which is the definition of a Ponzi scheme, which is pretty much almost every single trading investment program out there where you invest money and get like 1% a day or something.
Kareem says, "Hey guys,
what's up, Kareem? What's up, Kareem?" That is,
but
it's not sustainable for the long term. So
all right, so these are his profits that he got from one day.
These things just keep coming in all throughout the day.
These are 1 day profits: 20, 20, 20, 10, $600. Look at 110, 250, 250, 20. These are all mining. A lot of these are like mining profits right here from Bitclub Network. Keep scrolling down. Do a couple more. But I can show this in a little video.
In this program, they have you have a record of every single payout that you get for every amount, every date. So it's like if this thing was hooked up to notifications on my mobile device, just all throughout the day, it would just be cha-ching, 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 cha-ching.
Yeah. Okay, $6, $3, $6 again. And that's still on the 9th. So you're just getting daily profits all the time.
Yeah, so see, because I built this thing, over the past year or so, I'm earning this money whether I like it or not. This is a 100% passive income for me at this point.
Can you click page 4? Just so you guys can see all the profits. And this is just from the 9th. Yeah, there's 17. So it just keeps happening. You just have pages full. Can you scroll up too?
Yeah.
You can keep scrolling up.
So I got a ton of comments on Instagram here. We're live streaming from Colin's YouTube channel right now.
See, look, you can just see these are all from one day, guys. How much have you made profit this year?
From this position?
Yeah, from Bitclub.
I mean, with Bitclub, the amount of Bitcoin I've withdrawn is worth around $250,000 this year.
Yeah, there you go.
I spent a little bit of it throughout the year, but I've been able to keep the majority of it and diversify it into other tokens, which then profited even more. So, once you have your stream of residual Bitcoin, now you're in a position where you can start trading and investing in different things, and it's not very risky because, if you make a bad trade here or there, which you will as you go through the learning curve of trading, it doesn't matter because the residual income will just replenish your account each time.
That's what I want to do, mining, and then use the profits for ICOs. That's what you do. That's what basically you do.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
I do
too. We've invested in a bunch of different ICOs, and then flipped them on the exchanges, and some even just holding for long term. So,
all right, what advice do you need? We're doing a Bitcoin mining live stream. You guys, this is my first live stream. Are you a millionaire yet? Okay, Sean is right here. Sean, tell me how much you made.
From my Bitclub account, this one's done about around $250,000 worth of Bitcoin.
Show them the results again because I need people just got on. They want to see it. Hey, what did it say? Say that question again. I just missed it.
For on Instagram, here.
I just missed the chat. I'm looking for it. Right now, Hashflare is bringing in about 0.7% a day. What's Bitclub doing in your opinion? Between 0.7%.
It depends on how many shares you have in the company. Because the thing with Bitclub is that you can set your compound anywhere from 0 to 100%. Mine is doing off my $500 investment because I compounded for a while. Mine, on average, from the mining alone, does around $20 to $30 a day worth of Bitcoin.
And then the compounding too. But look at the compounding on here. Let's see.
But it depends because see, this isn't a cloud mining company, so it's very difficult. You can't compare this to a cloud mining company like Hashflare or Genesis because with Hashflare and Genesis, they're selling you hash power that over time will diminish and not be sufficient to mine the coins because over time the mining difficulty increases, the halvings occur, and your payouts will get lower and lower with cloud mining. But with this one, it's actually kind of the opposite because you own the mining hardware. See, with this company, you're not buying hash power, you're investing in actual mining hardware, which they set up in their facility and then they assign to your name. And then you have the choice to start compounding that. And as you compound it, it will build in perpetuity and pay you out more and more as time goes on. So
and show them the pools. Let's explain the compounding.
So this is the pool I started with. It was a $500 pool. I compounded my way into a founding member,
advice.
And I have
Where's the company located? It's in Iceland.
Their mining farm is based out of Iceland. You can look it up on YouTube. There's tons of people that
you can go there and visit it.
Yeah, you can go visit it
and you can see your machine, and they'll send you your machine if you didn't want it.
Yeah, if you decide that you no longer want to be part of the company, they'll actually mail you.
Bitclub Network. We're gonna put it in the description.
They'll actually mail you your equipment if you decide to pull out of the company.
Yeah. All right. So show them the mining pools and like the repurchasing. All right. So we're gonna show you guys this. Is Bitclub Network okay for U.S. citizens looking to get on the site? With the post the URL, tell them about the IP switcher.
Yeah, just download. There's an IP switcher called Anonymox that I use, and just change your IP address if you want to get in.
On Google Chrome.
We're gonna leave a link to it in the description of this YouTube video as soon as he finishes the live stream. The reason they do that is just because they don't want to deal with the United States government and all the corruption. But
show me how many bitcoins you made from each pools.
But this is like, see, I can compound my shares in the company. I could go 0% and then it'll just start withdrawing 100% into my wallet, or I can compound it and build bigger shares in the company, which in the future will pay me out even more. So I can customize my compounding on each mining pool that I've got on this account.
And so when you're doing Bitcoin, you choose the Bitcoin pool, not the Ethereum one. You have to choose separately, right?
Well, they have different options here. Like with the Bitcoin pool. This one right here, these only mine Bitcoin. But then you have down here, they have a GPU pool, which mines Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, and Monero.
And no repurchasing. Thoughts on BitConnect?
Well, no.
You said thoughts on BitConnect. Do you have...
BitConnect is a Ponzi scheme. You could still make a shitload of money with it if it lasts long enough. But I'm concerned about the shelf life of it. Because they don't do anything. Their token offers... It's not doing anything as far as like innovating the current monetary system.
He's not mining with a PC. Bitclub is a mining facility, guys. New person just
don't get me wrong. Like if you get in something like BitConnect, if you get in early and it lasts long enough, you can make a shitload of money. I mean, I know people that made like a fucking shitload with BitConnect. So, but know the risks involved. That it may have a shelf life because it's not. It's based on just a bunch of investors coming in and putting in money, and they're using one investor's money to pay out another investor, which is not sustainable for the long term.
Exactly. But Bitclub Network is a sustainable one. It's been around since 2013.
Well, it's sustainable because they have a real product. Yeah. And it's a real physical brick and mortar business with a service that actually has a demand.
Investment, so minimum investment 500. You gave them money and they will do the rest. You gave them money and they will do the rest. Explain them the mining pool investment.
Yeah. So, for me to get started with this, it was $600 was the total that I started with, because they have a lifetime membership that you get for $99, and then the first mining pool was $500. And then once you do that, they'll take the $500, go and purchase mining hardware with it that'll be assigned to your name. They set it up in their facility in Iceland, and then you just start getting paid out from it, and then you can set your compounding from anywhere from 0% to 100%.
So you can potentially repurchase and mine for life off that original investment. Is that what you did?
Yeah, because as long as you compound every now and then, at least for a little bit, then your mining shares will never run out. Because what'll happen is
Let's see that guy's question.
It repurchases. They call them partial shares in the company, which is like a 2%. Each time your profits build up to 2% of the share, it'll repurchase another partial share, and it'll renew another 1,000-day mining contract. So it will continue to pay out indefinitely as long as you compound every now and then.
That's really cool. Yeah, it's like probably one of the best ones in existence, because they're actually hooking you up to a machine, and they'll actually send it to you if for some reason you didn't want to mine anymore. So that's like one of the good benefits of Bitclub. I've made money just doing referrals on it, but I just signed up for the mining contract, and it takes a month to set up, and it's a month, right? What's the 30-day wait?
Yeah, they say give them about 30 days to set up your mining equipment before it'll start.
And then it's 1,000 days, right? You mine for 1,000.
Then your contract is 1,000 days, but if you're repurchasing, it'll just keep renewing more 1,000-day contracts.
Tell them how you don't have to repurchase the whole time, but you can.
Well, you can.
You can
customize it. You can come in here and put it on 100% repurchase for a whole month, and then take it off 100% repurchase.
Referral defo option. Yeah, they have a referral option.
Yeah, the referral program is optional. You don't have to do it. But if you want to make more money faster, then I would highly recommend doing referral marketing for it.
But the mining itself is way worth it alone.
Well, yeah, I mean, you saw my results. I put in $500 and it's paid me a total of 1.4 Bitcoin, and it continues to pay me every day.
Exactly. All right, so
but you can see all these. These are new mining contracts that keep getting renewed.
For you?
Yeah.
See, how much you take out?
What's that?
What do you take out? Like, show us your payouts of what you've taken out.
I already did. I've withdrawn. I mean,
I'll start one more time.
Just at this position, I've withdrawn over 17 Bitcoins. I can come to my all-time summary here of everything.
Everyone said freaking cool.
That's
cool.
my total withdrawal right there is 17.7715 Bitcoin. So you can go on Google and do the math on how much that's worth.
17 Bitcoins. Invoice. Yeah, that's a lot. So how many people on here are thinking about mining Bitcoin and joining a mining pool like Bitclub? Who's all on here right now? Let's see who's all on here. I can't see everyone's names, but I don't think my phone lets you see it, but yeah, so that person's in school. What's your friend's name? It's Sean Logan. He said I'm in. All right, I'll put a link for you guys in the description, but yeah, I think it's probably one of the best ones to do. You potentially are going to mine for life. And what would you think about the Ethereum ones? Are you doing any of those?
Yeah, I'm mining. I've been mining Ethereum. I've been mining Bitcoin. I've mined Dashcoin. I recently switched my allocation to Litecoin because Litecoin has a debit card coming out in February of 2018, and I think Litecoin is going to significantly increase in value because of the high transaction fees lately with Bitcoin.
When can you cash out?
You can cash out anytime you have a balance on your.
Hey, when did you get into Bitclub? If I signed up now, how much would I be making in 5 months?
I'm not a fortune teller and I'm not a psychic, so I cannot tell you how much you'll be making in the future. But what I can tell you is that the more effort you put into building your business, the more money you're going to make. And I can show you my results from the past.
How much? When do you cash out? Tell me about the cycles. Let's go look at let's show them the cycles. All right, we'll show you right now. I will look into it. I'm in Hashflare now. Hashflare. Okay. What did Hashflare do recently? The signups? There was something weird going on.
I don't know.
Hashflare
is a cloud mining program.
Yeah, it's cloud mining.
And I mean, they're
daily setup 60% compounding. Cash out daily set to 6, but the compounding isn't 60%. You can do it. Well, you can do 0 to 100. It just says that on the site.
Yeah, they changed it recently. That was a recent change that they announced.
Bitcoin and how long? Just $500 investment.
Yeah, I
don't expect $500 will be all you put in.
That's all I've ever put in.
No, you put in 600, right?
Well, 500 for the mining pool, $99 for the lifetime membership.
Yeah, he said keep reinvesting.
Yeah, well, I've never had to reinvest anything else out of my own pocket. What I did do though is I compounded some of the profits that were already being generated from the program.
We'll show you
from mining.
Yeah, and show them how you what we were talking about. That's my preferences to draw out seed. Yeah, that's what you do. That's exactly what Sean's done. How much have you made off ICOs after doing this?
I mean, just tens of thousands over and over again.
Show them some of your wallets, like how much you have in your wallets. Like, watch this, guys. We're gonna show you a couple things in here. Here, look the other way while he types in his password.
Can't even see it.
Yeah, but Sean's basically done tens of thousands on here.
But I mean, this is one of my smaller wallets that I use to get some of these mining. But I'm mining Litecoin right here. You can see I'm getting paid out these Litecoin.
7,000. Let's see some of the Bitcoin ones too.
This is Litecoin. I'm getting paid out every single day. I'm getting autopilot Litecoin payouts right here.
And I have a link for Genesis. I'll put it in the description too.
I've been getting autopilot Dashcoin payouts right here. I recently allocated some hash power from Dash over to Litecoin because I think Litecoin is going to do really well this year. But I've been getting paid out in Bitcoin. And we just build these mining programs.
Can you show your Jax one too?
I mean, there's other wallets too. I mean, I have multiple streams of income coming into multiple different wallets on here. This is the Jax wallet, another wallet that I use. But I use multi-coin wallets, and I've just got streams of income that are going into these.
12,000. Nice. So is there anything else we should tell him?
Add Colin on Facebook, and then he can send you an invite to join any of these programs.
Yeah, add me, guys. Watch the videos. I know you've been watching my Ripple and Litecoin videos, but this is a way you can make money and start investing in other programs and other coins coming out. And I've been getting a lot of advice on Sean, a lot of ICOs coming out. Like, what are a few ICOs that you've invested in lately? Like a couple good ones.
A good one was that I got in early was Power Ledger. It was a really good one. A couple others that I got in like right when they hit the exchanges was QuantStamp, which is doing amazing. QuantStamp is an auditing protocol for auditing smart contracts, or helping new companies that are getting involved in smart contract cryptocurrencies. They're helping them basically not fuck up the code, not screw up the programming or because you know how when you're doing a smart contract with an Ethereum blockchain token, you have to put in a computer code to do the smart contract, and that's like not easy to do. So sometimes people make mistakes when they're putting in the computer code, and we actually saw $55 million of Ethereum get extracted from a Ethereum token called the DAO back in 2016. So that was one that we invested in, and then we also invested in Privitex, which is doing good. There's a whole bunch, but there's a completely separate training that you want to go through for learning how to prospect and invest in ICOs. But that's risky. It's very risky to do that because when you start investing in coins and trading the markets, one, you're not guaranteed to make money. Two, you may have to wait weeks or even months before you get in profit. And then
I haven't heard of Devon Coin. Have you?
I don't know.
Favorite coin?
I think it's a lending token. Yeah. I could be mistaken, but here's the thing: is like one of the least risky things to invest in, and one of the best ways to make money instantly, where you're guaranteed to make money, is selling and recruiting and building networks, which is what I teach through my YouTube channel, and what I've been teaching through for the last 2 years is how to use attraction marketing and build a network in a residual income program that mines cryptocurrency.
But mining cryptocurrency, it's a product that actually everyone can get right now, and the prices are going up so much that you're going to make money. And with Bitclub, it's so high paying that you can reinvest your profits and do the network building if you wanted to. You should do a video on how to set this up with an IP switcher. Yeah,
we already posted one about a week ago, and it's really easy to download the IP switcher. It literally takes like 30 seconds to download.
It's called Anonymux.
Yeah, and if you watch, we actually did a video about a week ago, and at the end of the video, I show exactly how to use the IP switcher. It's really easy.
So that should be, if you have Google Chrome, it's just a little extension. It takes like 1 minute to download, you guys. Yeah, but I think you guys should. This guy said how long it take to get 17 Bitcoins.
I've been in since June of 2016.
Okay, and I'm just getting into the mining right now, but I've already made. I'm on my third pay cycle on Bitclub Network, but show them how the pay cycles work, how you get paid out.
All right, so the Bitclub Network uses. Hang on, I gotta go to the compensation plan in here. 1 second.
We're going to show you guys the compensation plan on how much you can draw out per day. Like I've drawn out I'm going on $800 right now, and I haven't even started mining yet. I'm just starting the mining. We'll go to it right now.
So this is the optional part of the company right here, but they do have an optional referral program.
I just said Anonymux too, it's funny.
But there's multiple ways to get paid out from building a network in here.
Can you make good money in this without referrals?
I showed you my results. I can show you my results in the past. Off the mining alone, which was originally a $500 investment, I've earned 1.42957 Bitcoin. You can go on Google and do the math on how much that's worth as of today.
So that's it. So almost 2 Bitcoins just from mining, guys, off a $500 investment.
But there's multiple ways to get paid out in this thing. They use what's called a binary tree referral program. If you don't know what that means, if this is confusing to you, don't worry about it. This is something you'll learn as you go, but I guarantee you, if you learn how these work, if you understand how these works, if you can do trainings on these, if you build these the way I teach, you can make a fuckload of money. So we've got cycle payouts, which basically just involves acquiring points from people who come into the company and invest into the mining pool. Whether you brought them in, or they're a spillover from your upline, or they're a duplication from people below you in the network, it all counts towards these $200 pay cycles that you can keep getting over and over again. There are people in my network that have made like thousands and thousands of dollars in pay cycles without doing a single referral, just because I do a lot of referrals for programs like this. I have some of the highest ranking videos on YouTube, and I collect a lot of traffic for it, and it converts. So, as you move up in their ranking system, they increase your daily max earnings from the pay cycles. They have a matching bonus, which, you know, if you're familiar with binary trees, you understand a matching bonus. If not, don't worry about it. You can come in here and read about this and study it.
But yeah, it's just the whole ranking system.
You know,
right there. You guys can look at that. But basically, you can draw out, like, how much can you draw out per day? Sean, what have you drawn out per day?
There's no limit to how much you can draw out per day. But if I were to simplify this marketing plan for anyone, I would estimate it's about 40% of it goes into mining, 40% goes into this binary tree referral system, and then the other 20% goes back into the company to maintain the website and manage the mining farm in Iceland.
So would you say this is a good start to invest profits without having to risk a lot, and you're going to get investments where you can reinvest into ICOs coming out?
Yeah, this is probably one of the lowest risk ones because, you know, you can get in for like $500 to $600. And we know that they actually mine Bitcoin.
And you have an actual rig hooked up in your name, which is like one of the most important parts.
And I mean, over time, you know, eventually you'll get an ROI on that investment. As opposed to, say, you know, you start trying to flip coins and trade the market, very risky. You buy a coin at the wrong time, the value drops, you just lost all your money. But like I said, if you have a stream of residual income from cryptocurrency mining programs that you've built, then that acts as like a safety net as you go through the learning curve of how to trade the markets and how to invest in ICOs and how to use the exchanges and when to buy, when to sell, how to put in your sell orders, all that stuff. So it just kind of depends on like what you want to do and what your level of involvement is. You know, I like to build multiple streams of income. I like to build a diverse investment portfolio, and I found that the most stable programs are cryptocurrency mining because they are a physical location. They're a brick and mortar business.
Which is Genesis.
Unlike rev shares, unlike trading programs and lending programs and all that stuff.
So yeah, guys, if you want to get in, I mean, I'm mining Litecoin right now on Genesis, and I'm going to start mining Bitcoin on Bitclub Network. I'm waiting for my rig to get hooked up, but I've watched Sean do it. I mean, it's paid for his whole lifestyle. So if I sign up under, would we make more because we're your team? We don't get your own. If we don't get our own referrals. Yeah, you actually would, because I got some of his referrals and made about how much have I made? I think I'm almost on $800 now, just from him, without doing anything.
Yeah, so I mean, here's the thing: is I'm a YouTuber, and I've had some of the highest ranking videos on YouTube for the keywords Bitclub Network for over a year now, and I've gotten a very significant amount of referrals into this program because of my understanding of how to build a YouTube channel and tap into the traffic that already exists. So here's the thing: is if you sign up with some random person, they may never even help you build your business at all. But you know, if you get into our network, you have a team of people that are very active in the company that know how to market, that already have results, and we can put you through a whole separate training of how to do attraction marketing.
Similar to an MLM.
Bitclub Network is an MLM. Yeah, they use a binary tree.
But it's a product. Explain to them why it's like not like a Ponzi scheme, which most people say.
Well, a Ponzi scheme has no product, has no service. It's just a bunch of investors coming in and putting in money.
Like a CEO of a business, like paying you minimum wage. Bitclub is safe. What is his YouTube? Sean Logan. It's on the thumbnail, you guys. You'll see it. I'm going to put a link to his YouTube too. Can we make good money without referrals?
Live stream on
if we sign up under you, would you make more money?
To build multiple streams of
What's his link? I'll put it in the string. All you have to do is type in Sean Logan. It's on the thumbnail. You should see it on your screen or after the video. But just type in his first and last name. So would you recommend the $500 initial or higher?
Here's what I would do is I would recommend coming in at the $500 pool. I mean, if you have like hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars and you're serious about building a network, or I mean, if you have the capital, come in as a founding member and build your network because it's going to open up more earning potential. But if you're limited on investing on how much you can invest, come in at the $500 pool. Put it on 100% compound.
It's a $100 membership too.
Come in at the $500 pool. Put it on 100% compound. Let it build you up into a founding member, because once that happens, it's going to open up more earning potential in the program. And as you're building yourself into a founding member, build your referral base. That's how I did it, and you've seen my results. So if you,
but with us under you, you would have more people and more like resources. We could put more people under.
Well, I do my best to help everyone out with spillover signups and all that stuff. Obviously, like the only, if you want to make good money, if you want to get the kind of results I did, you have to create spillover. You never want to rely on spillover, okay? The people that make the most money are the ones that create the spillover. And if you go through our trainings, you're going to learn how to do all this stuff.
But mining itself is going to be very profitable.
I mean, it's been profitable for me.
Almost 2 Bitcoins.
So I can show you my results. You know, I'm mining multiple coins, and it's been very profitable for me ever since I started doing it.
And how much is your lifestyle? Since he's moved to Vegas, I've seen his lifestyle change from like, look at EDM shows, buying people's tickets, like guns, whatever you want. Tell me you can just get whatever you want.
Well, the thing is when you build a online business that's paying you like $10,000 a month or more, you have the freedom to go anywhere in the world and do whatever the fuck you want.
Look what he said. Is his Bitcoin link on his team?
Yeah. What's that person's name? P. Miller.
Yeah.
Hey, what I want you to do is I want you to message Colin on Facebook, and we'll send you an invite.
But signing up under me, you're going to be under him too.
Yeah, it's basically because Colin's in my network. So if you join Colin, you're in my network, and we're all on the same team here.
Okay, and then he said this. So would you recommend the 500 initial investment? Bitclub get on his team. You would be in his team already, joining mine. Join late. I was watching something about BitConnect. This sounds safe. How do we join under your network?
Right,
is there a referral link?
Colin's going to send you a referral link, and there's also
$100 membership.
Yeah,
him the membership fee.
$99 lifetime membership, and then the mining pools start at $500.
But you potentially will mine for life if you do the compounding right. So your shares will carry over to another 1,000 days. But you'll just use your profits. Tell them how you did like a half. Like you can take half of your commissions out, and then you did half like 2,000 days.
You can customize your compounding. So if you wanted to, you could set it to 50% compound, which means that half your profits get reinvested into renewing more contracts, and the other half you can withdraw.
And how many days usually that do?
I can do that as many days as I want, or as little days as I want.
I don't have a Facebook.
Okay, well then,
it's on my video.
Put a link in the description of this video right now with your Bitclub referral link.
I think it'll stop the video.
Okay, well that's fine. We're gonna end this live stream. We've been at it about 40 minutes now, but we'll end it, and then we're gonna put the link in the description right now.
And if you look, there's a link in the description 5 videos down on my Bitclub Network.
Hey, if you want to do what we did with building networks, you need to have a Facebook. It's like mandatory.
Okay, I'm gonna put a link right now in the description, guys. And then we'll end this live stream. And then we're gonna do more. I'm gonna do more on coins. We're gonna do a lot more stuff on helping you guys make money. Let us know your Facebook, Patrick. Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna put it. It's in the link of the description. If you guys watch any of my videos, just pick any video on my channel. Just click on my channel, look at any of my videos, and then you'll see. You'll see the link to the Bitclub Network in any of my videos and my Facebook. I don't have a Facebook. Do you have an email so I can get the referral link?
Yeah, you can email him.
Yeah, I'll just give you an email. But you can literally get it on my video, you guys, if you watch any of my videos. Oh, where's the comment? How do I comment on here? I'm trying to comment back to you guys. Hold on 1 second.
I don't know if you can.
I don't know if it'll let me.
I haven't done a YouTube live from your phone, so I don't know.
Here, hold this real quick. I'll just type it out and I'll show him.
Okay.
Or just talk to him. Just type it on here. All right, so this time I'm going to show him right here. All right, guys, I'm going to type it out for you.
Okay, he's typing it out. Hang on.
All right, there it is.
Here.
All right, so if you don't have it, here it is. So COLINMCLEOD 2. Or actually, here, use this one. Hold this. That's the wrong one. Can you hold that? I'm just going to do Patrick. Okay, here it is. All right, do Patrick McLeod marketing at gmail.com. So Patrick McLeod
made it through this whole thing.
Marketing at gmail.com.
Click the link in my bio.
And remember, guys, if you want to make money, just look at any of my videos, and you'll see a link to Bitclub Network where Sean and I did a whole conference on it. Okay, good work, guys. I learned a lot. Yeah, we appreciate you guys. I hope you make a lot of money. But look at any of my Bitclub Network videos. Like, if you go 5 videos down, just go to where all my videos are on my page, and then you'll see a link. Like in any of my bios, I have a link to Bitclub and my Facebook. Does that answer? Does anyone have any last questions? What do you think, Sean? Any last questions for Sean while we got the expert here? I think that's it.
All right.
All right, we're going to end it.
All right, hey, nice chatting with all you guys. Connect with us on Facebook if you have any questions.
Yeah, I hope you guys will make a lot of money. All right, it says wait. Okay. Cream. Well, we know Cream, so Cream could call us up. Thanks. All right, you guys are welcome. Very welcome. All right, good night. All right, how do I end this and save it?
Let me just hit the X.
Are you sure?